into the Vizag and we are on our way to Simacharan temple, okay? Bro, the views right here are so good.
Actually, when we were on the way to the temple, the views were so good that I cannot even explain it to you guys properly. That. But if you really ask me, and I'm like supposed to say something regarding the views, I would say it was like I was watching a conversation between the clouds, trees, and the mountains all together. And I felt really small when I was surrounded by so much that I just wanted to sit and watch the view, guys. It was looking so beautiful.
Not even kidding. So, you see just above the trees how it mixes with the whole cloud? Bro, it's so good.
This is actually from the time when we were on our way to go to Rose Hill Church, I think. And this ship is actually called Valentina.
Lucky we got this view. Temple with both temple and the ship.
And we got such a nice shot right here where you can see both the temple as well as Valentina side by side.
Hi guys, after having lunch, we are at INS Kursura Submarine Museum. You can see right here, beside me. And I will see you inside. Guys, this is the inside of the museum. This is a torpedo, you can see. Let me see. As you can see. Captain P. Vikram Datta. That's a wax model right here, bro. These are all models. Sonar set These are the bunkers, bro. This is the lunch area, bro. They have the food right here, I guess. This area is the officer bunker, right? Officer bunker, this is, guys. Washroom, guys, right here. Washroom. This place, bro. This is a totally unknown area for me, bro. I don't know anything about this place. Which valve is for what, I don't know. Look at the number of valves, bro. The radio receiver, bro. Why is the clay model is sleeping, bro? Bro, the submarine focus. This is the main diesel engine, bro. Look at the size of this thing, bro. This is also used to check the levels of everything, I guess. Guys, that's it. See you on the next one. Part is done, guys. Now we are actually going inside this aircraft and I'll see you inside. Are the missiles, bro. This is the engine, bro. Look at the size of this thing, bro. No matter, it flies so fast. We have got a missile right here, bro. It's an illusion actually. You might think it's going inside, but it's actually outside of this. This is the illusion. Damn, look at this illusion, bro. It looks like it's inside the whole thing. I can only show you the outside, bro. This is how it looks from below. Yeah, that is it. See you on the next one. Hi guys, we are actually at a beach right now, and bro, it is so cool. It's just like the movies, okay? Look at this view, bro. Look at this view. You can see it behind me, right? Look at this, bro. It's so good, bro. If anyone has not come to Vizag at least once, they should come to this place, bro. You even if you come for like 2-3 days, every day will be an adventure. This is so beautiful. We literally saw the sunset right there. Actually, I didn't make the video, but it was so cool. I took some photos, okay, with my friends, so I was unable to take the video at the time. Otherwise, bro, you will just sit here and enjoy. Like, you can sit here for 2 hours, 4 hours, does not matter, bro. You will enjoy it regardless. That's it for this one. Let's go to the next location. Peace.